Right, guys, it's part 2 of build your own website. In this series, I'm going to show you how I'm going to familiarize yourself with WordPress. So as soon as you install WordPress, this is what I showed you yesterday. I installed WordPress on a sample subdomain, and once you log in, the first time you log in into your WordPress, this is what you'll see. This is the exact thing that you will see. On the top there, it's called example. This is the name of your website, and here these are the updates. Usually when you have plugins that need to be updated, you'll see them here, or themes or whatever they need there, or even WordPress itself, the updates, you'll see them here. It's the same thing as here. So here it's when people comment on your posts. This is where you'll see your comments, and yeah. So this new drop down menu, you can create a new post from here. A post is like a blog post, for instance. Let me just put it that way. A blog post, this is where you create a blog post, and you can still create a blog post under post as well. You can just hover over a blog post and say add new, and then here going down is the dashboard. The dashboard is the entire thing here. This is where you can put whatever shortcuts you need in your design process. And then on the left here you have posts. So posts, the default post that you'll see if you go to all posts, the default post that you'll see is the hello world post. So the best thing to do once you get into WordPress is to move this one to trash, and then excuse me, you move that one to trash, and then it's gone. And then under posts you have categories. Let's say you have posts about your blog, and posts about the things you review on, or posts about what you sell. These are the categories that you're going to be putting there. The post will be arranged according to the categories. Then they will have text. Text is sort of hashtags of your products or posts or whatever. And then here, this is media. Media is whatever you're going to use on this website design. Whatever you're going to use, whether it's your website logo, whether it's your downloadable PDFs, whatever you want to use, this is where you'll upload them. And then underneath you have pages. Pages are more like posts, but they are permanent. They are not like posts. Posts, you know, as they get old, they can go beyond, and you can be able to archive them and stuff. So pages are the actual pages of the website. Then comments, it's like the one that I showed you here. Comments, there's nothing there. I want to dwell too much on appearance. Appearance, this is where you get your themes. I'm not going to talk too much about that. Themes, and you can customize your current theme, and you can have widgets, you can have menus, backgrounds, and this is the visual, the visuals of your website. This is where you deal with the visuals. And then plugins. You have plugins. Let's say on a contact page, you need a form that you say complete this form to contact your company. This you can get by adding a contact form plugin onto the plugins, and then configure it, take the shortcode, put it on your contact page. So things like that. So let's pass the users. You can have different types of users, the login types. You can have the administrator, you can have the editor, you can have I forgot the other one, and then you can have the subscriber. So the rights and privileges are not the same. Remember, the rights and the privileges are not the same. And then tools, this is where you get, maybe you want to import a lot of products, or import some data to website data. You can do that. And you can also access site health and blah, blah, blah. And then you get settings. Settings, general, this is where you get your website name, your description, and then reading and writing. I'm not going to talk about them now. We'll do another video about this. Permalinks is how the things that come after the / at the end of your domain look like. Maybe you have a post whether the post will be the post name /date, dash date or whatever. This is where you set it. And then yeah, basically that is the interface of WordPress, ladies and gentlemen. Keep your eye on me for part 3. And then yeah, thank you for watching. Bye.